So the cleaning company doesn't have to focus on anything except cleaning and doing what they do best. Our system handles everything for them on the back end, and that's why they pay so much money for a system like this. Today, I'm going to take you through a workflow and automated system that you can sell to a cleaning company, both residential and commercial. It's going to generate them more leads, more conversions, more appointments, and therefore a lot more money. And because we're generating them more money, you're able to charge them at least $500 to $1,500 every single month for this automated system. I've personally done that myself, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this as well. And I've personally been building and selling AI automation since before ChatGPT came out, so I've seen all of the trends and I've worked with every niche. Cleaning companies are one of the best niches you can work with because they're high volume, but they can also be extremely high ticket, yet they have so many problems that we can solve using automations and AI. And really quick, before we jump into it, if you want access to the automation template I'm about to show you, plus the software that we're going to be using, plus my full entire free course on how to start an automation business from start to finish, then the first link in the description will take you to school.com/automate, which is my free community that you can learn to access the course and the template inside the classroom section, which looks just like this. So what you can do now is you can pause the video, you can go apply to the community. So by the time the video is done, hopefully you are approved and you can put all of this into action. All right, let's jump into it. I've got my trusty laptop here, and the software that we're going to be using for this is a tool called Go High Level. But specifically, it's my white label version of Go High Level called Hexona Systems, which is my own software company and my own brand. So you can get access to this inside of that free school like I mentioned, but let me show you what this system can do. Now on the left-hand side over here, you can see that we've got a bunch of tabs, including AI agents, automations, and websites. The first thing that we want to offer these cleaning companies is a nice website, or as we call it, a funnel. Now, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's different to a website. The purpose of a funnel is to drive the visitor to one specific action. This is a big mistake that a lot of cleaning companies make, is that they run ads and all of their traffic to their website. Websites are extremely confusing because websites have about pages, success stories, they've got different call to actions, they've got multiple phone numbers. On a funnel, there's only one thing you can do, which is fill out a form. That's what we want, because when people are scrolling and they see an ad, they are going to get distracted. We need to make things as simple as possible for them. That's why a funnel is perfect. So you can see here, save on our best-selling cleaning service. You've got a nice picture, you've got their Google rating, and you've got a review there. That's all that you need to actually capture a lead's information. So now what happens when they submit that form? So let me open up this funnel and actually show you what's inside. So they first fill out this form over here. What happens next? They get taken to a schedule an appointment page. So you can see that the lead can book directly on our client's calendar for any time that they want. And once they've confirmed it, it takes them to a confirmation page with an actual picture of their team. This helps so much with Show Up because it shows that there's a real business and a real family that's working behind the scenes and not just some big corporation. Another important thing to understand is that these pages need to be optimized for mobile. That is one of the biggest things that marketers miss because they make these beautiful desktop-based websites. But what they don't understand is that 90% of funnel traffic, especially from ads, is going to come from mobile. So the funnel has to be mobile first. When you get my template, you're going to get this funnel included. So all you have to do is plug in your customer's logo and you're good to go. Now let's jump into the system. So once we have people filling out those forms on the funnel, what do we want to do with them? Well, we want them to be captured in our system and actually go to convert. Now, I've got a bunch of automations here set up, which are perfect. And I'm going to show you exactly what you get access to. So automation number one, what this does is this organizes new leads. Anytime somebody fills out that form, we want to notify our client that they've got a new lead. Now, based on where they came from, if they were from Facebook or the funnel or the website or Google, depending on the channel, we want to tag it separately. Now, once they've been tagged and organized, we go into the next step. The first thing we want to do is send a SMS to our customer saying, hey, you just got a new lead coming in. These are their details. Then we want to send an email to the lead saying, welcome to location names cleaning service. That's going to be filled in with your client's name. We're thrilled to have you. Looking forward to providing you top quality services based on your needs. So these emails and SMSs are automatically going to go out. You can see here an SMS also goes saying, we received your request to schedule cleaning services. Please confirm. So now automatically someone is engaging with this lead. Without a system like this, people will fill out forms. No one will get back to them. And they're like, hey, is something actually going to happen? I don't want to risk it. Let me go apply to another cleaning company as well. People like to play it safe. But when you have a system like this, you're more likely to capture and contain that lead. We're going to keep sending SMSs like this is a quick update. And this will continue on until the lead actually responds to us saying, yeah, I'm looking to work with you guys, or anything. Any sort of response shows that this is a real lead. If they don't respond to us, then we have a bigger problem. And if they don't respond after a couple emails and SMSs over a couple weeks, maybe 1 to 2 weeks, we're going to put them into what we call a nurture sequence. Now, if you're not familiar with what nurturing is, it's a term for marketing, but basically this means we want to remind the lead that we exist, but we don't want to keep actively selling to them. So we put them into what we call a nurture sequence, which looks just like this. So you can see here, we wait 7 days, we send an SMS. We wait 3 days, we send an email. We wait 7 days, we send an email. So we're not actively annoying them, but we want to remind them that we exist, that once upon a time they were interested. So hopefully they might come back in the future. You'd be shocked how well nurture sequences work. And over time, these leads will come back when the time is right for them. Now, another big system I want to show you is an appointment booking reminder workflow, because a big issue is cancellations, no-shows, like cleaners go to the house, they ring the bell, nobody's home. They forgot about their appointment. They didn't show up to it technically, right? So we need to make sure that once an appointment is booked, people are actually confirming and these appointments are going through. So this is how you set it up. You can just plug and play this workflow. I don't need to explain it like from the ground up. But what happens is we confirm that the appointment is happening. We send an SMS and an email. We wait 3 days before. They get a pre-3 day reminder. Then 1 day before they get a reminder. 1 hour before they get a reminder. And finally 10 minutes before they get a reminder. So you can see this is how we stay on top of these leads so they do not forget about their appointments. Without a system like this, I can guarantee you your show rate is going to be below 30%. This is immediate value for your cleaning company. If you can show them this and say, hey, I'll get your show up rate increased by 10 to 20%, that's a conversation that they want to have. Now, in the event that the appointment is a no-show and it doesn't go forward, well, we have a no-show sequence as well. So you can see here that we send an SMS automatically that says, hey, we just missed you at our scheduled time. Is there a better time the next couple days? And then if they don't respond to that, we say, hey, is everything okay? You can click here to reschedule your meeting. So we have these systems that no matter what situation happens, they're getting automated messages and emails, and the entire funnel has been cleaned up. So the cleaning company doesn't have to focus on anything except cleaning and doing what they do best. Our system handles everything for them on the back end, and that's why they pay so much money for a system like this. And another really cool system that we have is called database reactivation. Now, what this means is that if there's a business or a cleaning company you're working with, and they've been in business for like 5, 10, 15 years, they've likely built up a big database of customers. What that means is, people who didn't show up to appointments, people that came in from ads, people that didn't buy but were interested, they might have thousands or tens of thousands of these leads. What we can do is that we can reactivate these leads for them, because right now they're cold and dead. So we can do SMS and email blasts saying, hey, we've got this new limited time offer for so-and-so, like 50% off your next cleaning, for example. We send that to everybody in the list, and then we direct them to a booking link, and you just watch the bookings cash in, because everybody wants a limited time offer. They already know who you are because they've interacted with you before. They trust you. So this is instant cash for the cleaning company with no additional ad spend, already using the leads they've already paid for. They're going to love this offer, and it's a great way to get your foot in the door. Imagine going to a cleaning company and saying, hey, you guys are sitting on potential tens of thousands of dollars inside of your database. I've got a system that can reactivate this for you, and together we can make a good amount of money. You can charge them a rev share as well, that maybe 10, 15, 20% of everything they pull in from this reactivation is what you make yourself. It's money they wouldn't have had anyway, so that's why it's justified. This DBR system is super powerful, and it's one of the most important things that you can offer that are included in this template. Now, I could go on and on about everything that's inside of this template, but the best way for you to learn is just to try it out yourself. So like I mentioned, go to school.com/automate, which is the top link in the description. It's going to take you to my automation incubator. If you haven't applied for it yet, just apply. You'll get approved whenever we see your application. Then go to the classroom tab, and inside of here, you get a free course on how to build these templates, how to get that software, how to actually sell automations, do the entire sales portion from finding customers to closing them to actually getting paid. I cover everything. And I've got thousands of wins over here. If you sort it by wins, you can see all of these people doing this exact same thing, taking my templates, going to local businesses and saying, hey, look what we can do for you. do you want some of the action, right? So Garrett closing 2 clients in 1 week, Lukachi getting his first client in 24 hours. That's how quick it is if you're just using templates, right? So these are tried and tested. My development team has built them. So just take them as they are, build a company, put it in front of them, plug in the software, and then you can start collecting monthly recurring revenue by charging these businesses every month to maintain the automation. It's that simple. And if you have any questions for me, you can leave them directly in the forum section, or you can just hover over my name. You can click on chat and you can talk to me directly. I'm more than happy to support you. So I hope this was insightful. It's a very powerful template, and I look forward to speaking with you further inside of the community.